it's the Midnight Raven, and I am sure I am behind on the times when it comes to opening mini brands. But today I went to Tesco's to do some shopping, and I found that they've got the mini brand Series 2 eggs, and these were down from £7 something to £3.75 currently. I think they were. Yeah, they were like £7 something. And with the club card, you can currently get these for £3.75. So I picked up 4 in total for £15. We're going to open 1 in each video, so I'm going to spread them out a bit. If we do really well, I might go back and buy some more while they're still on offer. I know mini brands have got so many different mini brands. You've got season 1, season 2, Disney mini brands, there's toy mini brands and everything. But I am behind the time. I always wanted to buy these but never bought them because I deemed them too expensive. But we're going to take a look at one of these. Basically, they come in the egg, all sealed. I've unsealed it, and they come in these little things, and you get 5 items in total. So let's take a look at the first egg part. Ooh, okay, so the first one we have is we have a mini sun-made raisins packet. Look at that. And it is incredibly detailed. You've got all the writing on the side. And like that. So I don't like raisins myself. It is just cardboard. There is a piece of foam sort of in the inside. As you can see, it is just cardboard. So we have a mini raisins. I'm hoping that all 4 balls are going to be different, but because it is a mystery, who knows? You could get all the same items. Okay, item number 2, we have Heinz Big Soup, chicken and vegetable. Oh, look how cool these are, little mini brands. I've wanted mini brands for years, but I couldn't condone paying £8 or £9 for a ball. They did an advent calendar this year, and I think it was £20. I didn't manage to get one, whether they're still available. But you've got the mini candle, then you've got the ring pull, then you've got all the information on the back. They go into quite a lot of detail, the mini brands. You can also get a shop front, and loads of other stuff. These don't seem to have a checklist, which would have been nice, unless it's in one of the eggs. Okay, compartment number 3. Ooh, what's this? So we have Lee and Perrin's Worcester sauce. Oh my god, look at that. They even got what looks like, it's a pity the fluid didn't move in it like a liquid. This is the Lee and Perrin's Worcester sauce. Now, I love putting these on plain crisps. You get the crisps, you tip a little bit in, shake the plain crisps, and it makes your own Worcester sauce crisps. Because back in the day, they didn't have that kind of thing. They hadn't made those type of crisps. And my dad used to do it at home when he came back from the pub. Things you do as children. So you got that one. So all are different so far. Fingers crossed. Okay, so we have 2 compartments left. Oh, we do have a checklist. And then we have another item. So we have a checklist, which is good, because I was hoping to get a checklist. So there are lots. So you can get ones that are frozen moments. You've got gold. You've got glow in the dark, metallic, common, which is probably what all mine will be. And then on the back, you've got more common, and then it's possible to get things like stands and trolleys and stuff. And then you've also got toy mini brands Disney, mini brands fashion, and series 1 and 2 of the mini brands. So they have quite a lot of mini brands. So that's that. And here's the item we got. This is the warheads all mixed up. And these are the little flat packets. I'm not as excited by these as I am like the tins, the cans, and the bottles. These are all right, but yeah, not as interested in them. So these are the warheads all mixed up. Little packet. Again, all the detailing is there. And then we have one more for this egg, which I can't find. It's this one. None of them are special. And then, oh, we've got a Pez one. So now we have mini Pez candy sours. So these are little kind of 3D cardboard ones. Again, these are quite cute if you get the stand, or you can buy cases to put them in. You can buy stands. I mean, there's a whole mini brand thing going on. And like I said, there's season 1, season 2, toy mini brands, fashion mini brands, and what was the other new one? Mini brands Disney. Now, the Disney ones were hella expensive. They have got some of them at my Tesco's, but it was these ones that were on offer, and the other ones were still full price, so we won't be getting any of them anytime soon. But we have mini Pez sours. So that's egg number 1. And we're going to leave the other 3 to open in other videos, because I don't want these videos to run for too long. So, here we have the mini brands. And like I said, there is frozen moments. You get gold ones. You can get ones that glow in the dark. You get metallic ones. And then 99.9% of these are all commons. All different foods, bottles and stuff. Then you can get the units down here that you make and stuff. And then you've got ultra rare, super rare, and stuff. But yeah, pretty cool, mind you. So you've got ones that are super rare, ones that are ultra rare. And then if you want to collect the other ones, like I said, you've got the toy, the Disney, or the fashion where you get handbags and that. Or you got the Disney ones, which I wasn't so interested in. And I wasn't really interested in the toy mini brands. So what did we get in the end? So we got Sun-Maid. We got some chicken and vegetable soup. Some Worcester Lean Perrins sauce. We got some warheads, which is not my favourite because it's a bit... And then we got the Pez. So all in all, you get your 5 items, and currently at Tesco's you can get these for $3.75 per egg, ball, whatever they're called. So this is series 2, and there's over 100 mini brands to collect. And then it says unbox ultra rare frozen moments mini brands as well, which is where like the sauce is being poured on the items. Like frozen moments like this, where you ketchup and all that. So that was video number 1. If you want to see any more, give us a like and subscribe. Up here I will leave all my other videos in my run up to Christmas. I am doing Grinchmas this year, so if you haven't seen Grinchmas, it's just videos about Halloween but with a Grinchy-esque, i.e. me being in it. And then we're going to do these in a different video. We're going to do one in each video so they don't drag on. If you want to help support the channel, a PayPal, Super Chat, or a Super Thanks, 'tis the season to be given. And I will see you soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.